So my topic for economics will be equilibrium. What is equilibrium? A market is in equilibrium when the quantity supplied is equal to the quantity demanded. In equilibrium, every seller who wants to sell an item can find a buyer and every buyer can find a seller. Since there's a balance, there's no tendency for the market price to change. And here is the graph that I have for market equilibrium. And the equilibrium occurs at the point at which the market supply and demand curves cross, because this is the point at which the quantity supplied equals the quantity demand, which is right here. There are two forces pushing markets towards an equilibrium. When the price is above the equilibrium price, a surplus leads to discounts, which push the price down, leading to a surplus. When the price is below the equilibrium price, a shortage leads to markups, which push the price up, leading to a shortage. Only when supply equal demand is when the market is at an equilibrium. Example of a market in surplus. Balenciaga, a high-end fashion brand, has recently faced backlash over a controversial ad. This brought controversy to the brand, and lots of people have been avoiding buying their items to bring awareness. This decreased the demand for Balenciaga as the price was above the equilibrium, resulting in discounts in sales, which is surplus. For example, retailers such as Lyst are selling a pair of Balenciaga sunglasses for $200 after they were originally priced at $685. And also at the website, Children's Salon is charging $237 for a pair of Balenciaga shoes, marked down from $475. This is so they can try to bring it to an equilibrium. Example of a market in shortage. Due to supply chain issues and the recent recall of several infant formula products, infant shortages have been reported in 2022 in North America. Lots of families are struggling with finding a formula for their infants, pushing their demand to be higher than the supply, causing a disequilibrium because the quantity demanded exceeds the quantity supplied. Since the price is below the equilibrium level, this will likely result in the price going up for formulas. 3-step recipe that will help you predict real-world market outcomes. Step 1. Is the supply or demand curve shifting or both? Any change affecting buyers or their marginal benefits will shift the demand curve. Step 2. Is that shift an increase, shifting the curve to the right, or is it a decrease, shifting the curve to the left? An increase in marginal benefit is an increase in demand, while an increase in marginal costs creates a decrease in supply. Step 3. How will prices and quantities change in the new equilibrium? Compare the old equilibrium with the new equilibrium. How to know if a market is in equilibrium? Whenever the price is rising, that's a sign that at the current price, the quantity demanded exceeds the quantity supplied. If the price is falling, it's likely that the quantity supplied exceeds the quantity demanded. If prices are free to adjust, then eventually these markets will be drawn to the equilibrium.